sure to like, subscribe, find the hidden AirTag, and find my Walkman. Guess what? Since today is the 5th of November, we are going to blast fireworks at the park.
Wow, that sounds amazing. Another pair of fireworks. Yes, I love fireworks.
And that is why we are going to blast fireworks this year. Except Classic Rosie.
Wait, what now?
You heard me. You are not coming blasting fireworks this year, because you are still grounded from throwing that drink at the cashier in Dairy Queen.
Are you serious? That was over 6 months ago. And yet I am still grounded? Seriously?
Yes, you are not coming this year, and that is final. Now family, go get prepared for this. Right guys? Now let's go to the car and drive to the park.
Oh, so they think they can exclude me from this year's 5th of November over something that happened months ago. No. I am so mad right now. I need to think of the plan for revenge. But what do I do? I know what to do. We have fireworks in the park, so I will get some friends from home and fireworks and light them up in here. These scary places will be fun. This is so good. Now let's go get those fireworks. Wow. Just wow. Just exactly what I needed. A box of nice big fireworks. Now the pieces of my plan are all coming together. Ha 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 ha. Now, let's go blast those fireworks in the living room. Alright, now that I have some matches, let's burn some rubber. Alright, now that the match is lit, let's burn the rope. Ha ha ha. Alright, now let's run.
Alright, now, since today's the 5th of November, it's time we set off fireworks. Oh my, there's loads of fireworks everywhere at that house over there. That house is on fire at the same time. This doesn't seem good at all.
We need to call the police and the fire department about this.
You're calling 999. How can we help?
We have got trouble. There is fireworks lit up inside a house and it's on fire.
Okay, we will send the police and the fire department right away. Thank you for calling about the situation.
Thank you. Bye. Okay, I really hope the situation resolves soon. But let's not waste our time. Let's blast our fireworks. Remember the 5th of November. What the hell happened here?
Well, Classic Rosie obviously had something to do with it. And there is no way there could be fireworks from our house.
Wait a second. Fireworks? Aha, I think I know what happened.
Then what happened, Classic Caillou?
Well, earlier, we didn't let Classic Rosie come with us because she was still grounded. And not to mention, we have fireworks in the attic. So, my point is, I think classic Rosie stole the fireworks that we had in the attic and somehow lit them up in the house, completely vandalizing it.
Wait a second. Classic Caillou, are you saying Classic Rosie was behind this?
That's what I think.
Classic Rosie, get over here right now. You have some serious explaining to do, young lady.
Dad, what is up?
Classic Rosie, you have some serious explaining to do. Did you seriously light up fireworks inside the house? Don't you dare try to lie to me. Not an answer, Classic Rosie.
Okay, fine. I did it. I lit up fireworks in the house, causing it to get completely damaged. The reason I did it is because you guys didn't let me come over a stupid grounding over something that happened 6 stupid months ago. So this was my sweet revenge. There, I said it.
That has got to be the lamest excuse. Classic goddamn Rosie, what the hell is wrong with you? How freaking dare you light up fireworks inside a goddamn house? What the heck were you thinking? You have completely vandalized our house. Now, thanks to you, we now have to pay loads of money to fix up the damages, and it's all your fault. That's it. You are so goddamn grounded for 5, 6, 8, 6, 4, 5, 8, 2, 0, 8, 5, 9, 7, 2, 9 million years. Get to your goddamn room right now.